supply. At its core, economics is a study of how people make choices when resources are limited. The law of demand and supply is a fundamental framework that explains how prices and quantities of goods are determined in a free market. The law of demand. Demand represents how much of a good or service consumers are willing and able to buy at various prices. The core rule. As the price of an item increases, the quantity demanded decreases. Conversely, when the price drops, the quantity demanded goes up. Why? This happens due to the substitution effect. If a goods get expensive, buyers switch to cheaper alternatives. And the income effect. Higher prices make buyers feel poorer, reducing their purchasing power. The law of supply. The seller's side. Supply represents how much a good or service producers are willing and able to create and sell at various prices. The core rule. As the price of an item increases, the quantity supplied increases. When the price drops, the quantity supplied goes down. Why? Businesses are driven by profit. Higher prices mean higher potential revenue, encouraging suppliers to produce more and enticing new competitors to enter the market. Market equilibrium. Finding the sweet spot. In a competitive market, demand and supply interact to find a balance called equilibrium price. This is an exact point where the quantity consumers want to buy matches the quantity produced want to sell. If the price deviates from this sweet spot, the market self-corrects. Supply, surplus. If the sellers set the price above the equilibrium, the quantity supplied will exceed the quantity demanded. Unsold inventory built up, forcing sellers to lower prices to attract buyers. Shortage. If the price is set below equilibrium, consumers will want to buy more than sellers are offering. Buyers will compete against each other, bidding the price back up. Shifting the curve versus moving along them. A common point of confusion in the difference between the change in quantity demand supplied in the change is overall demand and supply. Movement along the curve. This happens only when the price of the specific good changes. A shift of the entire curve. This happens when outside factors change, altering the baseline behavior of buyers and sellers regardless of price. What shift demand? Income. When people earn more, they buy more normal goods and fewer inferior goods. Taste and preferences. A successful health campaign can skyrocket the demand for the avocados overnight. Prices of related goods. If the price of coffee spikes, the demand for the tea might increase. If the price of printers drops, the demand for ink cartridge will go up. What shifts supply? In input cost. If the cost of raw materials of labor increases, producing the goods become less profitable, shifting supply to the left. Technology. Better technology or automated processes lower production costs, allowing suppliers to produce more at every price point. Number of sellers. More businesses entering the market increases the overall supply.